Good morning. So I am sitting in my studio just trying to plan the rest of my day. I have to go to work for about an hour or two just to get through lunch. And yeah, so I am drinking my Keto Pro chocolate swirl ketones this morning with some Mitoplex. And this is the end of the reboot. And so my reboot results this morning, I am down 5.8 pounds and I am down 6.5 inches. So super good. So I am at a new low. I am at 193 even. And yeah, so I'm super excited for that. I had a great 60-hour reboot. It was awesome. I didn't find that I was hungry really. Whoops. I didn't find that I was struggling or anything, which was great. I didn't film before my reboot. I thought about it, but I was just so busy. I am super busy trying to get things done for the sale. And so filming and tracking and eating properly and everything just kind of went out the window. So I mean, I was eating properly, but I was probably eating too much or just enough to maintain everything. So I have made a commitment to myself that the next 2 weeks at least, I am going to track religiously. I am going to stay on track and I am going to get under 190, I hope. I would like to be in the 180s. I feel really, what is the word for it? I feel really stressed when I am so close to being over 200 again. I know that it's okay, that I can get back under. I know in my mind that if it happens, I can still do this. I just would like to be as far away from 200 as I can. Um, and so, but these last couple weeks I haven't been tracking because I've been so busy and I really just need to sit down and make time for that. And I need to get back into the routine where in the morning when I'm sitting in my bed, just kind of waking up, enjoying the morning kind of by myself because Chris will go for his shower and all that kind of stuff. And I used to sit and plan out my day and make sure that my macros were correct and make sure that I was set up for success. And like I said, these past 2 weeks, I really haven't done that. And it shows because I crept up a little bit on the scale, back up to 198. And so I was like, okay, things have to get back on track. So that's what I'm doing. So this week and next week, I am tracking. The past few weeks, I have been exercising more than I have in the past, which also could have contributed to the gain, just because my body is adjusting to me running more, me swimming more, me doing more things. So, because before I was doing like 1 or 2 workouts a week and now I'm doing 4. And so all of September so far I have done 4 workouts. So the first week I ran and I swam and I biked, I think. I don't know. I'll have to look on my little thing. And then the following week, which was last week, I swam twice. I did yoga and then I ran on Sunday with my husband because it had rained all week. And so I really didn't. Every time I wanted to go out for a run, it was raining harder than I would have liked to go for a run in. So I didn't run all week. but I ran on Sunday. We did 5K. Actually, we did just about 6K. And then Monday again, I did 5.2K. Yesterday I swam. Yesterday's swimming, we only did about 40 minutes because the pool was getting really full and I didn't really feel like going into the fast lane swimmers just to be able to have room to swim laps, because I feel very intimidated next to the people that can swim, laps in half the time that I can. So I did 20 laps in 40 minutes. That's about the norm for me right now. I used to be a good swimmer. Like, I guess I'm a good swimmer. I used to be a faster swimmer. And so I'd like to be able to get back to that point if I can. But right now it's just kind of, as long as I'm moving and I'm exercising and I'm raising my heart rate, I'm okay with whatever I get done. So I did 20 laps. So that is 1,000 meters for anybody who needs to know that. The pool length itself is 25 meters one way. So I usually count a lap as going there and back. So I did that 20 times. So yeah, so I need to say so less. I really am enjoying the swimming. It is a good break from like jogging and running and all of that kind of stuff. So it's quite nice. My running, I feel like it has improved. I think Strava, which is the program that I use for tracking my rides and my runs, I think they did a calibration reset, because the same 5K that I was doing last week and the week before seems to be shorter this week. So I'm not sure how that works, but I have had to do a little bit extra at the end just to make sure that I'm doing 5K. So it's a little bit weird. I don't know if they did a reset or what they did, but so when I get done and when I am thinking that I should be up like really close to 5K, I'm still at like 4.7 or something. So it's a little bit weird. I don't know. Like I said, I'm pretty sure that they must have done some sort of recalibration, or I don't know why I have all these silly little hairs. I guess it's regrowth, but so yeah, so I am enjoying the running. I am trying to improve my time doing a 5K. My shortest time I think is 43 minutes. I think I would like to get that under 40 minutes if I can, but I'm not really pushing myself. I'm just going out there to make sure that I'm raising my heart rate and getting things going, and it's good time for me. And I think that I would like to take you guys along one time. I don't know if it'll be right away or if it'll be like next week, or I'm not sure. I will be running on Friday, so maybe I'll take you then, but I would like to do sort of a run with me. I don't know, like you won't be with me for the whole 40 minutes, but I will like bring my little selfie stick thingy and film a little bit while I'm running. So yeah, so I'd like to do that. Yeah, so we'll have the rest of our week. Like I said, it is Wednesday and I just about have to go to work right away. So anyways, I wanted to pop on and just say hi because I haven't been on in a few days. And but with the reboot, I mean, if you haven't seen a reboot yet, I do have a video in my videos about a reboot, and if you have any questions, please do let me know. I would be happy to answer them. I really enjoy the reboots. I think they help me, like, even though I'm not quite like on a month-long plateau, sometimes by the time I'm at the reboot, I'm stuck in a place where things just aren't really moving. And so if I can keep things moving, then I get less discouraged and I'm less likely to fail and or to stop. And so at this point, I mean, it is September, so January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, 9 months I have been doing keto. I've had, normal cheat meals, but not very often anymore. And I think that over the 9 months and losing 50 pounds, I think that, or over 50 pounds, because now I believe I am at 55 pounds down. And I'm super excited for all of that. And I'm super excited to keep going because I am over halfway to my goal. And I just want to keep going. So yeah. So anyways, I am going to go and I am going to go to work and get all the things done. I will be back later when I have my lunch and dinner. So I will see you then. Hey guys, so here's lunch. I'm just having 2 eggs that were fried in butter and a slice of cheese. I just wanted to start off with things really slowly. Tonight I'm gonna have this plus a little bit of rotisserie chicken to get my protein in. So it's just gonna be really simple today. And I may add a salad, but I'm not too sure. I'm gonna try and keep the carbs fairly low. So yeah. So anyways, I will see you guys when we eat dinner. Hey guys, so here is dinner. I am having 2 eggs, 1 slice of cheese, and some chicken breast. Sophie. Sorry about that. And yeah, so I'm just having that for dinner. Pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty low key. Like I said, today was I just wanted it to be low key. So anyways, I will see you when I have dessert. Hey guys, so I'm just wrapping up the night. I am having a little bit of yogurt, just like, I think it's about 3/4 of a cup in there. I just had a little bit left over. And yeah, some skinny syrup with, I think I chose glazed donut tonight. So yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna have this yogurt and then probably head to bed fairly soon. So good night and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.